bus now, on my first bus. I just got off from the bus, so I'm now at another station. My bus is arriving at 6 minutes. Yeah, when you want to do the transfer and without paying anything extra, you have to tap the card again when you get down from the bus. There are no English writing on the bus, so I travel around. I rely on the naval map again. But at the station, at the bus stop, they actually have the English writing that tells you which stop is. So without speaking a word of Korean, with appropriate apps, can easily travel around in Korea. Climbing up and going to the skywalk. And we have to put on these shoes. Now on the skywalk. So this is basically the skywalk, and so now I'm here at the bottom of the cliff. See you in the next destination. I just arrived in another fishing port. This is winter, so usually the seaside town is a bit quieter. Hyderabad is the seafood rice, raw sashimi rice. Basically the price is more or less the same. Here is like 10. Spoonworm, sea squid, sea cucumber, rockfish soup. Because I think to protect the glass. I'm now walking on the glass. Frightening because you can feel the wind. one, you have to go to 3 different ones to experience the 3 different views and the 3 different excitement. I'm just finished the skywalk thing, so now I'm heading to find some food to eat. I'm now in the restaurant next to the beach, and I'm ordered raw seafood bibimbap, raw fish. Sliced raw fish bibimbap, and it's only 10,000. Yeah. I'm now in front of a very cute painted container, and when I first look at it, I thought it is like takeaway coffee or anything like that, because they show people drinking coffee, but actually it is a police booth. So cute, isn't it? I'm now walking along Dalmaji Road, and this area is quite beautiful during spring when the cherry blossom, and also the autumn. And now is the high-rise buildings of Hyundai Beach area. So now I just finished the walk from the beach, Cheongsapo Beach to Dalmaji Road, and now I'm going back to Hyundai. This is Charles signing off from the Hyundai area.